Hi, I'm Allison, your virtual dietitian, and this is our Ultimate Meal Planning Virtual Fit Kitchen Support Group page. And in here, you'll see many different posts, but I've tried to organize it with different topic posts. For instance, if you click on recipe, it'll bring you to all the posts that have recipes tagged in it. And but the most important thing I want you to become familiar with is the unit section. You're going to click on it over here, and it's going to have start here where you're going to introduce yourself, and it's going to talk about how to access your content with the Nutrition Plus tracking app, and go through all the different units or sections. This is kind of like your curriculum. So prep week 1 and 2, and we have weeks 1 through 4. So for instance, I'm going to click prep week 1, day 1, and you'll see we have a short little video to watch and some questions for you, and then also an action item, your to-do list. So today we're going to be watching videos 1 through 4. Now, where are these videos? You're going to have to log in to your Ultimate Portion Fix webpage. So you click on beachbodyondemand.com, and it'll take you to this landing page. You're going to click on nutrition, and if you're logged in, you're going to get access to your Ultimate Portion Fix tab. Click on that, and here's where you're going to find all the videos. They've got sample meal plans. They have all the videos broken down. The cool thing is they have resources right there for you that you can download. You can also access the resources here. And if you haven't received your box yet, but you're chomping at the bit to start, you can print out the workbook before your box arrives. There's a lot of pages, so I would recommend just maybe printing out a few days or so and then wait for that box to arrive. If you click on nutrition again, you will see the monthly fix here. When you order the Ultimate Portion Fix, you get the first 30 days of the monthly fix for free. So when you click on that, you go to videos, and they'll have a topic. This month, we're talking about the yellow containers, the sweets and treats, those carbohydrates. And we're going to have a monthly assignment. She's got some motivational interviews in here and success stories, and she always releases a couple new recipes that are going to go on the Fixate channel, and you get to access it before everybody else sees it. Resources here are the PDFs for you to print out. She also will be giving us a sample meal plan for this month. And it's also vegan friendly, and then the printable recipes. So we have vegan and non-vegan meal plan samples in this group as well. So also click on nutrition and go all the way down to the bottom, and you will see there's different channels. One is for Shakeology with different recipes for Shakeology. It also talks about how Shakeology is beneficial to your health, and in the resources tab you can print out the nutritional information. There's a bunch of recipes in there as well, and then in the videos has actually the recipes in there. And then click on nutrition again and go all the way down. And this is a great show. It's the Fixate cooking show. And they have short little videos of many different recipes. And you can always print them out. They have a printable PDF for you as well. So I love going to this to find some great ideas for me to cook some delicious meals that are not going to derail and make me feel absolutely incredible. So this monthly fix is free for the first 30 days, and if you want to continue it, I believe the pricing is around $19.95. But I will be posting some content that I get from this each month in our support page as well. So there you have it. That is our Ultimate Portion Fix support group and how you're going to access your videos. So after you watch each section, and if you have any questions, make a comment and tag me in it, and I'll be sure to answer it. Bon appetit!